In this video, I will show you how to find your favorite photos on iOS 26. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Once in the app, ensure you are in the Library tab at the bottom of your screen. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen for 3 horizontal lines. Tapping this will reveal a menu that allows you to customize how you view your photos. From this menu, tap on Filter. A new set of options will appear for sorting through your collection. Now, select Favorites. This simple action will instantly curate a collection of all photos and videos that you've marked as favorites over time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.